In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language on Google Assistant. Whether you're multilingual, learning a new language, or just want to switch things up, this simple guide will walk you through all the steps. Let's get started. First, open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, head over to the home page and tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From here, look for the Settings option and tap on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the Google Assistant option. Tap on it, and a new page will open where you'll need to locate the language option. Go ahead and click on that. Now here comes the fun part. You'll see your current language selection at the top. Since we want to change it, just tap on it. On the next page, you'll be shown a list of all the languages available for Google Assistant. It's totally up to you which language you want to choose. Scroll through the options and select the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen your preferred language, Google Assistant will automatically switch to it. You'll start hearing responses in the language you selected. How cool is that? And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Google Assistant. This feature is perfect if you're in a multilingual household, practicing a new language, or just want to make your assistant feel a little more personalized. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.